In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to reset your search page on Instagram. Now if you head to your Instagram and you wish to reset your search page, first and foremost find posts of your interest and like them. If you find any post you don't want, head to it and tap onto these three dots and select on Not Interested. Keep liking what you are interested in and always select Not Interested on what you don't want. After a while, refresh your page. The Instagram algorithm will detect your interests and only shows posts of your interest. There will be fewer posts you don't want, but keep selecting on Not Interested and always leave a like on what you are interested in. The other thing is to also find posts you're interested and head to them. Tap on these three dots and select Interested. By showing Instagram you're interested in such topics, the algorithm will always show you that exact content. Well, that's how easy it is to reset your search page on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.